Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for gold for 30th of May 2025, starting with Forex Factory. So we have high impact news in USD at 130, 4 PC price index and we got 3 PM revised consumer sentiment. So these are the two news. We have this high impact and the second one is medium impact. Now, let's start on the chart. See what the chart says. It's end of month. Uh, Tomorrow is Friday and it's 30th and 31st. The market will be closed 31st of May. So it's end of month as well as end of week. Very interesting. It happens sometime. End of month, end of week, same day. Right. In monthly, this seems an undecision candle. You can see what that means. We do not know the direction of the market according to this. But in weekly, we clearly see bullish and previous candles where they were closed, that was broken to the top. And that's what we have been saying since last week as well. Since whole week that this candle closed bullish, weekly candle. Now going on to daily, also weekly did mention this liquidity sweep and then bullish. Now it's breaking to the upside because this was the bullish candle. Initially we expected this up to here, but market came down. We expected up to here, fill the weekly gap, but market down quite a lot from that. And you can see this wick has been formed in daily. What that shows that there's a rejection in daily, and now market should go from here to the upside. That's for weekly. Let's go to 4 hour and see what's happening in 4 hour. This was the area in 4 hour. Which was just broken to the downside, and this fair value gap has been filled and market went to the upside. Now it's very important for the market to break this level before it goes to the upside. So what happens in 4 hours, as you can see, this 4 hour level was broken. Now, what next? So next, if market comes down from here, this is one level, and then the other level would be this one. If it keeps coming down. However, if this level is broken, then we possibly see the market to go to the upside. So bear in mind this level must be broken. The market comes to the downside. So at 32.50 around, and this is 33.25, that level. So these levels are crucial. So if the market must close above us or below this level to determine its direction. So it's possible that this fair value gap filled, or it comes here and then goes. It's highly possible. This is 32.90 level. There almost. And if you watch carefully, you can see that this was a break in, break out, and then breaking. In other words, can be classed as a fake breakout because it did take the liquidity, all this, the fair value gap, and all this liquidity. And this was this level was tested with the wick. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Now what? Technically, it is a sell from here right now. But if you go into smaller time frame, so in this kind of situation, what I normally do, I always use my moving average strategy as well. So if you're especially if you want to take trades in smaller time frame, and you can take trade using these. And if you want to know more about this, how to use them, you always can leave a message on under the video, and I'll make another video for you about this strategy. So these moving averages and RSI combination you can use and take a sell trade when the conditions are met. So best trades would be after the break of this 4 hour and the retest. And then we can have another trade probably from here to the buy side. If this is broken, and then we can sell trade on the retest. That's a standard thing to do. See what's happening in 15 minutes. We can see liquidity sweep in 15 minutes. 33.24 and this is 33.30 level almost. And market moved quite a bit. So we have this. So it looks like this level has to be broken before the market move to this the downside. Or if it doesn't, then it can go up to the upside. Yes, that seems the situation at the moment. Okay, so I leave this to you guys now. So, but you, if you wanna do smaller time frames, you can always do that. The method will be similar to the one I mentioned. All you have to do, just see the structure levels, risk reward ratio, and the management of risk, how you manage the risk, and you can use moving averages as well. I hope that's helpful. And also, I have a live stream on my YouTube channel, and it is broadcasted almost every time of 24 hours, apart from weekend. You can get help from there about how to see the levels and take the trades according to the levels. Yes. Okay, so I hope this is helpful. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Good night. Bye bye.